Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Cantonese Sweet and Sour Pork. This dish is commonly seen in plate lunches or in Oriental type of restaurants. It's a hearty meal to eat with the ohana or family. Here are the following ingredients. First, prep the meat by tenderizing it. Once the pork has been tenderized, cut it into 1-inch cubes. Next, prep the marinade for the meat. In a large bowl, mix together cornstarch, egg yolk, salt, shoyu, and cold water. Then add in the meat and coat it well with the marinade. Cover it and let it marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes or overnight. After the meat has finished marinating, coat each piece in cornstarch. Heat up a large pot with cooking oil over medium heat. Carefully fry the meat until it is brown. It should cook for about 4 minutes. After it has finished frying, dry it on a plate lined with paper towel. Next, prep the sweet and sour sauce. In a large bowl, add white vinegar, cold water, sugar, pineapple juice, ketchup, sesame oil, cornstarch, and salt. Mix it well. Set it aside. Heat up a large pan or wok. Drizzle in oil and cook the carrots first for about 1 minute. Then add in the onions. Cook for 1 minute. Add in the green bell pepper. Cook for 1 minute. Then add in the pineapples and cook for 1 minute. Add in the sweet and sour sauce and let it cook until it begins to thicken. Turn off the heat and add in the cooked meat lastly. Stir it well and serve it immediately. Enjoy this onolicious sweet and sour pork. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!